It's like 7 something in the morning. We're about to do a quick oil change, do some much needed maintenance to the truck. And then we are headed up to the mountains to my alma mater. We're gonna go to the game, watch the game. But first we gotta get down some quick little maintenance and we'll meet y'all there. And we are finally in Boone. Let's go. Finally up here in Boone. We're about to head to the tailgate and the alumni tailgate.
For your App State football alumni. Number 17, with a $100 gift card to the App State bookstore. Come on, this ain't another App State party. That's all. That's all.
I wish y'all could really just see how beautiful it is up here in the fall.
Three days later.
See, man, this is the type of stuff you don't want to come outside to. Look at that, man. And tires is not cheap these days, bro. Like, god damn, I just hope we're gonna try and take it up to the shop. Try and see if we can get it repaired, whatever. I swear it feels like I always catch a nail some kind of way at some point. It feels like it's almost every other month at this point, to be honest with you. But the past few times I've gotten lucky, they don't never stick all the way through, so it never punch. It be on the top of the tread block. This time I wasn't so lucky. Shit annoying, bro. One day I'm thinking about painting my brake calipers and put some spacers back here. 1-inch spacer though. finally got that patched up. Tires ain't cheap these days, man. I think right now, I believe these Versa tires, they are running about $470, maybe $500 a tire, somewhere in there. Yeah, I wasn't about to pay that for one tire, so I'm just gonna plug these tires up, and we got it patched up instead of plugged up. So yeah, man.
The next day.
So I messed around and left my truck light on or something. Truck battery dead, so we're about to jump this thing off real quick. I also discovered that I have a leak somewhere. I know where it is, but not gonna really be able to see it, but you can see the stain that's right here because it's raining and stuff. It's a wet, rainy day out here, but it comes really right from the I believe it comes from the O-ring. So I have another leak. It's leaking coolant just a little bit, not much. This video honestly kind of been all over the place, but it's alright. This is my first test run with it. Damn, I forgot to open up this. Hold on. Alright, so yeah, we got everything connected. Get this thing some gas a little bit. Need to go put some gas in here. Both of these motors ain't got no gas in it. I need to go get the key for the truck real quick. So what's up? Let's go ahead. Still not there yet. Gas. What's a good battery charger y'all recommend? Right now I'm on the phone, man. I ain't really feel like pulling out the camera and vlog. But if you stuck around this far, I appreciate you. Like I say, I'm trying something new. So just want to do something like kind of like a weekly vlog. It can be about anything, to be honest. It's not gonna be necessarily, not gonna always gonna be related to the truck. Truck gonna have its part in it, if that makes sense. So I'm just testing it out, trying to see how I could mesh these videos up better. So this right here is kind of a test run, I guess. I'm looking to do this more in 2023. All right, let's try this again. Damn, still not ready. I just figured out what lights it was. I had these lights on the whole time and didn't realize it. I was trying to figure it out that night, like, dang, why my lights won't cut off? All right, this is the one. Hopefully she ready. Yes, sir. Can y'all hear that filter? That filter, it worked now. Y'all sleeping on that filter. Shit. Close this thing. Let the truck run for a little bit. As you see, I only got 10 miles to E. The gas station with E85 is literally 8. Now it's like 3 miles. We'll let this stay on here for a little bit. I just love the smell of that E85 when you crank the truck up. Oh, gas prices ain't gonna change, man. It seems like shit. My shit went dead. What the? I meant to leave my shit running. I cut it off and now it done went back dead, bro. Damn. This time make sure I don't cut the damn truck off. So I was tripping. Cause I didn't really let it run that long, but it still shouldn't have died on me if the battery was still some good. So, and plus, like I say, I bought my truck used, so I don't know how long this battery has been in there. So we'll see. Finally got this motor to start after like 30 tries. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to go drive around and hope that they're not cut the truck off. And finally made it here to AutoZone, so I almost cut the truck off by accident. Ooh, that would have been terrible. But let's go ahead and try and see what this thing on. I think it's doing pretty good now. It seems like anyway, so but we're gonna see. After driving around a little bit, for about 10 minutes maybe, maybe a little bit longer, we're gonna let it run a little bit more and we're gonna see how it goes. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the battery out. My dad have a battery charger at home, and me and my wife, we actually are about to go out of town this weekend. Well, this week, about to actually go out of town this week. So what I'm gonna do is, while we out of town, charge the battery while I'm gone. Tell them take it off whenever it's done charging, and or just tell them put it on charge that Friday or that Friday night or something like that. I don't know. This might be the end of the vlog. I'm not all the way sure. I'm gonna put everything together and put it on the computer to see how it looks. I know the video, everything was kind of all over the place. That's because when I first started out, I forget that, you know, I'm actually doing this for, like, you know what I'm saying, like a weekly vlog type thing. So but leave it, if you made it this far, man, you a real one. I appreciate you for real. Leave a comment down below if you would like to see more type of content like this. I was hoping it'll be a little more. So man, we'll see if I don't know, if you don't, this might be the end of it, it might not, but we'll see. But if it is, man, I'll catch y'all in the next video. And oh yeah, man, we're about to do Vlogmas is coming up soon, so we're gonna be doing that 25 days straight of 25 straight videos. So we're gonna be doing that. But I'm out of here.